The first fruit to include in your diet is cucumber. Cucumber is rich in sulfur and potassium. It helps to stop hair fall and stimulate hair growth. Next is strawberry. Strawberry is rich in vitamin C, and vitamin C encourages iron absorption and better hair growth. Strawberry also have a compound called silica that prevents alopecia. The next fruit is mandarin. Mandarin belongs to the orange family, and orange contains vitamin C, which have antioxidant and antibacterial properties. This property help to prevent hair loss or damage. Not only does avocado nourish, it also strengthens hair and encourages hair growth. One of the wider known benefits of eating avocado is a healthy scalp. Contains protein and lipid that help to strengthen hair. It also contains calcium that promotes hair growth and aid in preventing hair loss. It also contains vitamin A, vitamin B6, biotin and calcium. All of this work together to keep your hair healthy, soft and shiny. Making smoothie out of all these fruits is so important for the overall health of your body and of course your hair. Also know that what you eat matters a lot when trying to have a balanced hair and scalp. So I have cucumber, I have strawberry, I have mandarin, I have avocado, and that is milk, 1% low fat milk. So we're gonna be making smoothie out of all this fruit, and I'm gonna be sipping it for our hair growth. All right, continue to watch along. This drink is also good for kids. I mean, you want to make sure your kids are healthy, so you also want to give them this smoothie as well. All right, thank you for watching my video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and share my content with your friends and families, and also tell them to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.